Welcome back to All Auto Reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true giant of the road, the 2026 Kenworth T2000, known for its durability, performance, and comfort. The T2000 has long been a favorite among long-haul truckers, but this 2026 model takes things to a whole new level. From the outside, the design is bold, yet refined, with aerodynamic contours that aren't just for looks. They're engineered to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency on those cross-country runs. The grille has been redesigned with a modern, aggressive stance, while the LED headlamps offer better illumination and a sleek profile. Moving to the cabin, this isn't the cramped and noisy truck interior you might imagine. The 2026 T2000 offers a spacious, quiet, and tech-packed driving environment. Premium leather seats with heating, cooling, and full lumbar support make long hours behind the wheel far more comfortable, while the advanced air suspension smooths out rough highways. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment display that supports navigation, smartphone integration, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Safety is front and center, with lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation systems, and a 360-degree camera setup, making it one of the most secure rigs on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 is powered by a next-generation fuel-efficient diesel engine that delivers impressive torque and horsepower, giving you the pulling power you need for heavy loads without sacrificing economy. For those embracing green technology, there's also an available hybrid-assisted variant that further cuts emissions and operating costs. The transmission is smooth and responsive, and the optimized gearing makes highway cruising effortless. While improving overall fuel mileage, Kenworth has also paid attention to the living quarters for those long hauls. The sleeper cab is designed like a compact luxury suite, featuring a full-size bed, premium sound system, smart storage solutions, a mini fridge, and even an optional microwave. Climate control keeps it comfortable in all weather conditions, and sound insulation ensures you can rest peacefully no matter where you're parked. On the road, the 2026 T2000 is remarkably quiet for its size. The combination of improved aerodynamics, enhanced engine mounting, and advanced soundproofing means you can actually enjoy your favorite music or have a clear phone conversation without the constant roar of the highway. Maintenance has also been made easier with better access to key components, reducing downtime and keeping the truck in service longer. In short, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 blends power, efficiency, safety, and comfort in a way that very few long-haul trucks can match. It's a truck that not only works hard but also takes care of the driver, whether that's through cutting-edge tech, luxurious comfort, or rock-solid reliability. For professional drivers who spend days or even weeks on the road, this machine is more than just a vehicle. It's a home, an office, and a trusted partner. If you're in the market for a truck that's built to perform and designed to impress, the new Kenworth T2000 is one you'll want to see in person. It's proof that even in the world of heavy-duty trucking, you don't have to compromise between toughness and comfort. That wraps up today's review. Thanks for joining us here on All Auto Reviews, and we'll see you in the next one, *.